Hello everyone, this is Monica. Today I will introduce our Capsule house V7 for you. Waterproof smart door lock. You can open the door by password, fingerprint, or swiping card. It's very safe. After coming in, it's an integrated control panel. You can control the whole house lighting from here. Oversized landing glass, you can see the outside view from bed. The main frame system is made of the seismic steel structure. The exterior wall uses the fluorocarbon painted custom aviation aluminum panels, which are corrosion resistant, easy to maintain and clean, and more than 15 years of service life. This is a bathroom with a wet and dry separation, large size basin with faucet and smart beauty mirror. The shower area is very spacious and with the HVAC lighting system and instant hot shower. It also equipped with a smart toilet. It's a living room, which can also be used as a bedroom, installed with the AC and electric curtain. Each house is equipped with an outdoor terrace. It features 23mm plastic wood floors, which are both beautiful and practical. You can sit here and enjoy the view.